You receive an OTP alert for a transaction you never made. You report it to the bank immediately, but the bank still demands payment. So here's the question: who is responsible for unauthorized digital transactions? In Rupam Kumar versus SBI Cards and Payments Services 2026, the District Consumer Commission Chandigarh addressed this very issue. The case began when Rupam Kumar received OTP alerts for two transactions totaling rupees 10,999 on her credit card. She had not authorized them. Recognizing the fraud, she immediately informed the bank and the card was blocked the same day. She also filed the required dispute form, police complaint, and approached the banking ombudsman. Yet, the bank failed to resolve the issue. Instead, it demanded payment and even reported her as a defaulter to CIBIL. After years of pursuing remedies, she approached the Consumer Commission. The Commission relied on the RBI circular on customer protection in unauthorized electronic banking transaction 2017. The rule is clear. If a customer reports an unauthorized transaction promptly, the bank may have zero liability for the customer and the burden shifts to the bank to prove negligence. Since the bank failed to do so, the commission held it liable for deficiency in service. The order directed the bank to refund 35,594 rupees with interest, remove her name from defaulters list maintained by CIBIL, pay compensation of 10,000 rupees for harassment. The judgment sends a clear message. In the era of digital banking and online fraud, banks carry a serious duty to protect customers and resolve complaints responsibly. Follow India Law for more insights on consumer rights, financial regulations, and important legal developments shaping the digital economy.